Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to delete your search history in the Walmart app. We'll go over how to remove searches one by one, how to clear all app data, and even how to clear cache on Android and iPhone. Clearing your search history can help if you've looked up a lot of products you no longer need, or if you simply want a cleaner search experience. It can also help your app run smoother if it's feeling a bit slow. From the Walmart homepage, tap on the search bar at the top. Just under it, you'll see a list of your recent searches. To remove a single search, look for the small X icon next to it. Tap that and the item will disappear instantly. Repeat this for each search you'd like to clear. If you'd rather wipe everything at once, you can clear all app data. On Android, press and hold the Walmart app icon, tap App Info, then go into storage and select clear data. Keep in mind, this will log you out and reset the app like it's brand new. Another option is to just clear the cache. This removes temporary files that may be slowing the app down, but it keeps your login and settings. On Android, it's right under the storage menu. Just tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, there's no direct clear cache option. Instead, you'll need to offload or reinstall the app to get the same effect. So, you can either delete searches one at a time, clear cache to refresh the app, or reset everything by clearing all data. Pick whichever works best for your situation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.